Apple's new iPhone 13 is coming this fall. Here's what we know so far. The iPhone 13 launch is on. Apple just set a date for a new product launch, and we're pretty sure a new iPhone will lead the parade of devices Apple is sure to show off. Want to know more when we might see the iPhone 13? Apple just sent out invitations for a September 14th product event. The California streaming event is an online-only launch, and it gets underway at 1 p.m. EST. There's no official indication that the iPhone 13 will be launched at this September 14th Apple event, but logic dictates that it's going to be the focal point. After all, Apple typically holds its iPhone launches in September. From everything we've heard so far, the iPhone 13 is set to offer a 120Hz LTPO display on both Pro models, improved battery life and substantial upgrades to the all-important cameras. That includes a new portrait video mode and astrophotography mode. Plus, the iPhone 13 could have satellite communications capability, though that feature may be just for emergencies. As for how much the iPhone 13 will cost, we'd expect the prices to track with the iPhone 12 range, $699, $799, $999 and $1,099, respectively. Apple tends to keep its pricing for each new generation of iPhone relatively close to the one that preceded. A set of iPhone 13 dummy units have gotten the hands-on treatment by Apple Insider, and they show some of the biggest possible design changes. This includes moving the speaker towards the top of the device, a new diagonal camera arrangement for the regular iPhone 13 and a larger camera module for the iPhone 13 Pro. A variety of leaks and reports have the iPhone 13 tipped to come with a smaller display notch, after several generations of using the same, somewhat bulky notch. The freshest iPhone 13 colors rumor points to 4 color options for the iPhone 13 Pro. These include black, silver, rose gold and sunset gold. We've heard plenty about the iPhone 13 cameras, starting with reports that the iPhone 13 Pro and iPhone 13 Pro Max will offer a new 6-element ultra-wide lens. The current iPhone 12 Pro models sport a 5-element ultra-wide-angle lens. The iPhone 12 models did not wow on our battery life test. Only the iPhone 12 Pro Max truly impressed with its large battery. However, another report from Ming-Chi Kuo about so-called soft battery technology in the iPhone 13 claimed that the new iPhones could offer increased battery capacity without growing the design footprint. Each new iPhone brings a new version of iOS with its launch. Apple gave us our first good look at the software that will power the new iPhones, as well as iPhones dating back to the iPhone 6s, when it showed off iOS 15 at June's Worldwide Developer Conference.